Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel where we embark on fabulous collaborations that transform your space on a budget. Join me as we create glamorous decors using treasures from Dollar Tree, garage sales, and other affordable stores. If you love easy to do projects that won't break your bank, then this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And now let's get started with our first DIY. I found these at the bottom of my stash. This is some picture frames and they are solid wood, as you can tell. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to give it 2 coats of white chalk paint, and I'll do that to both of them only in the inside. I'm going to be using 2 of these wood slices. I'm going to paint them in white, then I'm going to distress them with brown acrylic paint as well as the frame. And then I'm going to use some hot glue and I'm going to glue it on the frame.
Stay, even for a moment, that's okay. Even if the sky is turning gray, hey, we can talk it over, that's okay. We will find a path to do it all our way.
I purchased these beautiful lanterns, each featuring a tea candle in the inside, and I'm planning on hanging them from that wood slice that we just painted in white. Oh, and then I mentioned I'm also going to be distressing it. I was looking at it and I thought that it was kind of plain, so I have this stencil and I'm just going to go ahead and transfer only the wreath form. I'm going to be doing the same thing to both of them.
I'm a place for you to sing your heart away.
And to all my friends, I sincerely hope that you have relished every moment of this exquisite project. Kindly share your valuable thoughts in the comment section. And now let's get ready for the final reveal. Exciting. Today is another open collaboration, What Would You Make? And it is being hosted by Zana, OK at Home DIY, also Connie's Workshop and DIYs, and the guest hosts are Janny and Dyanne from Deco Easy. Please make sure to subscribe, share, and like to all of these channels. I will make sure to have their links directly to their channels down in my description box along with the playlist. Make sure to watch the videos all the way until the end so you won't miss any of their inspiration. And now let's continue with our second DIY. I have these 2 beautiful wood planks from Dollar Tree. I thought I was going to use both of them, but at the end I decided to only use one. In the meantime, I'm going to remove this jute twine from here. I purchased these vintage brass corner feet from Temu, and they were 4 for $148. I thought that was great, so this is what I'm going to be putting right here in these 4 corners. I am totally in love with these. I purchased 7 sets because I thought this was a great bargain. So in the future, you will be seeing me create many projects with these beautiful vintage feet. As you see, they have their own little screws, and I will be placing them on all 4 corners. Once everything is put in together, now I have this little stencil and it says Live Simple, and it has several sunflowers, but I'm only gonna go ahead and trace the Live Simple. This is so beautiful. As you see, the simple word, the letters are not completely attached. So with a paintbrush, I'm going to go ahead and attach them. This is a different stencil. I'm just going to take these little leaves in the corner and I will be doing the same thing with the khaki color. You may use whatever brand you desire, but this is made from Apple Barrel and it is acrylic. And look at how absolutely beautiful this turned out. I am totally in love with this piece. And now for the final reveal. My dear friends, I also found this little wood frame in the bottom of my stash. I don't recall where I purchased it, but all I know is that I'm going to make it look beautiful. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this paper from here, this decorative paper, I should say. I was not able to remove it completely. So what I did is I took this construction paper, I measured it to size, but then after it was all done, I did not like the way it looked, so I went on and I added a different pattern. And I'm taking this school glue just to make sure that this adheres. Guys, look at these tiny handles that I purchased at Temu. Aren't they adorable? I'll be creating a little mini tray. I'm going to continue to use these beautiful corner vintage legs, and I will be placing them on each corner. As you can tell, I changed the construction paper. This one is a wallpaper actually. The first one was a construction paper. Let me know which is your favorite. This little wood flower from Dollar Tree. Several of them came in a package. I'm using some wood filler from Gorilla and I'm going to be filling it in right here. I have this tissue paper from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut a piece, of course, and this is the same tissue that I'm going to continue to use. I'm going to take a little bit of glue and I'm going to spread it around this beautiful piece. Before it dries, I'm going to be placing the tissue on top and then use the fire technique. I'll light it up up on fire as it's wet, only because the fire ends at the border. And because Diva was right there, I didn't want to push her away, so I went to the sink and I burned the excess tissue really quick. I'm cleaning it up with a brush, and I also have this tray that I made some time ago and I just didn't finish it. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this beautiful flower right on top of this wood plaque. Actually, it's 2 wooden plaques together and half of the beads are between them. So now I have this wood snake that I cut. I'm also repurposing it, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and give it one coat with this. I'm gonna do it to both of them. I'm gonna come in with a white bead, take off the excess, and then with some hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right on top of the plaque. I highly recommend checking out the playlist in my description box featuring an remarkable collections of talented creators. Trust me, visiting their channels will be an unforgettable experience that you won't regret. The playlist is brimming with immense talent that deserves to be seen. I'm gonna distress the flower just a little bit, and this is it. And now for the final review.